off. Oh, let me take care of it. Let's get ready. I will distract her. Go around behind and take care of it. Hello.
Hi.
It's wonderful to make your acquaintance. And what name do you go by?
Tessa.
What is that again?
Tessa.
Tessa. Tessa is a lovely name.
Not actually my name, but the one I go by.
Very good. So it's not your given name by any means. No, stay here, stay here. My name is Mashi. This is Niblick, and we are town heralds from a small town called Maibana. I'm waiting. He's the one doing it. I was waiting for him to swing the axe. But you were supposed to. He was trying not. We're both out. Never mind. You are safe for now, young lady. We'll get you at some point.